Hey, this is Bruce from Gilware. Today I'd like to talk about deleted data. Probably hard to find a person that hasn't accidentally deleted something on their hard drive or on their device. One of the nice features about most computers is if you delete something, oh, I can go to the trash can, pull it back out, and you're safe to go. Well, what if you deleted something and at one point you deleted your trash can, and then right after you did that, you're like, oh, I really needed something in there, and oh, it's gone. Well, yes and no. So when data is deleted on a hard drive, that space where the data was at is the data is still there, but the space that it occupied is essentially it's up for sale. The hard drive tells the computer, or they communicate, and just says, hey, if you gotta write some data on here, this spot's, hey, this is great right here. Got a spot, nice little plot for you. Until that plot is filled, that data is actually still there, still retrievable by recovery experts. This is not the case with SSDs, solid state drives, or machines using Windows 10. They have features that essentially, once you delete the data, it writes zeros in the space that it was occupying, and your data is gone. So, but for most spinning hard drives, not on Windows 10, this is kind of how it goes. Now, one thing to remember, if you delete something and you deleted it, it's not your trash can, you delete it, as soon as you realize it, stop using your computer. Just stop. Shut it down, power it off. Even a computer just sitting there, it's constantly doing little processes and reading, writing little stuff in the background you don't know about. Shut it, stop using it, shut it off, and get that hard drive into your local shop. Maybe they can do it with some software, or if need be, bring it in, send it to a recovery lab. If you continue to use your computer, the chances of that space up for sale getting filled greatly increases, and once that's filled, your data's gone. It's gone. So, deleted data, you delete something, it's not the end of the world, but as soon as you realize you did that, and hopefully it's shortly after you did it, stop using that device, unplug it, power it off, get that device into a local computer repair shop or send it to a recovery lab, and that's going to increase your odds of getting that data back. Any questions? Give us a call, chat, email. All right, thanks.